everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today excitement is more than ever because I'm just in to give you the perfect type of braid styles, the perfect type of tutorials and everything. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. This is Glory Hair Channel. See my lovely client, she says hi to the world. We are in today to do cornrow braids. Her hair is short and then we chose the intersectional type of braid that will help us. This is Glory Hair Fertilizer. I'm coming to flirt her hair with my fertilizer and then after we will make some reviews months later. Because of her hair, we first plan to make a type of cornrow with which the tip will be in the middle and then we'll have the strands around here because around her hair are broken. So I start with my first line. You see how extra careful I am. I want to please her. She's my new and fresh client. I chose the inward type of corn rolling. With her type of cornrow or her type of hair, this style will be the best and appropriate for me. And it will be easy for me to braid the roots with this type. But as compared to long or thick type of hair, I prefer the outward type of corn rolling. I haven't yet done any tutorial with the inward corn rolling because I want my subscribers, viewers and everyone to be conversant with the outward type of cornrow, and after we come to the board and with our dolls and make our own tutorials on how to inward a cornrow. I used ultra weave and we used 2.5 in all, with which the grey was half and then 2 pack of the black weave. Approximately I used 2 hours 30 minutes for this braid. Cornrow intersectional cornrows because after I made the back side left and right strands around, I made an intersection. After I made my strands around her hair, I made an intersection in between to guide me on how to tear my weave and also to cover our broken parts. Although this is not a tutorial, but the first watch what I'm doing and then rehearse or practice even before our tutorial comes, because this is not anything difficult or anything technical. You just need to watch, guess what I mean. That's why I took a close capture of what I was doing. I wish and love my client to take powder braiding. That is if it's normal braid, either corn rolling, a latter goddess braid or something. I want them to be interactive, so I communicate with them, and I even let those who are good in tearing the weave tear the weave on their own. That makes you excited as you talk, as you get the person interactive. I'm almost done with my back part. The back part before the 3 or 4 main intersections. My passion for braid is something else, so hey, I just love it. I love to braid. It's a passion, it's an inbuilt something I've desired for years, and now by God's grace I've gotten the opportunity to get my channel that I can then exhibit my talent more and more and more. But we need you to subscribe to the channel so that you get to know more of my talent, so I'll get to train you. I say train. Appreciate my videos as you comment, you thumbs up, alert me on things you think I should have done which I didn't do. Everything is handy when it comes to glory hair. I'm a typical Ghanaian YouTuber, and for that matter, we lack a lot of tools or equipment or braiding, but that doesn't prevent me. I do everything handy, and I hope with time and money I'll get all the stuff we need. I'm adding another line up to my intersectional braid. My first one was black and I did gray. I'll do another black and then a combined color. So I come to the front part with which I'm braiding, and the strands will be at the right part of the hair. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share with friends, comment. If you have any topic or any suggestion or anything concerning braids that you want me to shoot a video on, you can also add it or comment in the comment box. So this part goes with the C, or the opposite of C, because I drew 2 intersections. Then I come here with the closing part, I do another 2 braids. I go back to the intersection area and do 2 from my left to the right. Then I close with another 2 from my right to my left. To let go the cornrow. So I had mine correct here. My intersections are bigger as I expected. At the right part, and then the knee then is my normal straight up down cornrow. I'm done with cornrolling, and I left with the strands or the tip of the hair. I was the only one braid, Charlie. It wasn't easy at all, but I was fast because we used not more than 2 hours 30 minutes. It was 2 hours 17 minutes or so. So you can also learn and then try and cornrow within the shortest possible time. So after, I then design my braids with these beads. I don't like tying the knot of braids, so I'll pull the beads to the front or to the side that it won't remove. And that's also a new style. she's admiring the hair. Her happiness and satisfaction at the end of the braid was so much. And that's what makes you a good hairdresser. Neat work, customer satisfaction, always on time, fastness. You're good to go. See my angel. And then the outer part I've divided is your night routine. With such braids, this is how you wear your cap and then sleep comfortable.